Det har ni?
Så det är inga element.
Perfekt. Varför ska man ha element? Dammar och sånt.
So there's no air conditioner.
It takes the heat of this air and it go out.
So it's hot air instead of hot water.
Yes.
Right.
And when I have hot water here, comes here, and go
De är
in
på räkningar, de kan inte vara med.
Underfloor heating.
yes.
Kan man inte tala dem i London?
Jo, det kan vi göra.
So that's only hot water you've got in the only hot water heating under the floor.
30-35 degrees. But the
45
water
degrees.
in the which I'm drinking like that, it's 50-55.
Right. Okay.
But this one is just 30-35.
Vad har Gunnar gjort med
Han har ont i ryggen.
ryggen? Okej.
Here we can see the heat
Han börjar bli
now.
gammal.
That's the temperature.
Yes,
Ja, nej.
Nice.
53.
Okay.
Här har jag fått ett erbjudande av hennes
It's not
journal.
working,
75
it's just the
kronor.
Nej.
ventilator. It's working now. As I see it here.
What about in the
Ett
summer?
land
Is
måste
it
slå till.
kind of air conditioned?
Ja, men sen är det bara...
No,
Sen, hur mycket betalar du sen?
Just the heat.
in the summer.
12 nummer? På 75?
Ja.
Water.
Vad bra.
I don't need
Nu får jag till
it.
det.
No, no.
Ah, ja.
So it's being
Ja, men då kan man ju...
warm as well.
Eller hemmets journal, eller?
Is that wood?
Now it's cold.
Fine, that's fine.
Cold. Here you have in Swedish gips and
Oh, det-
another plate like that. And then cold and the outside.
Fint.
Like a sandwich.
Yes, yes. Outside.
Har du en sån toalett på... En sån på den här toaletten också? Som man går ner och sånt? På toalettstolen? Sits också? Ja, jag måste gå in och filma speciellt.
Ska jag följa med dig?
Ja. Här är köket. This is the kitchen. The kitchen and the dining room.
The upper side of this, I have 50% insulation.
Så fint.
And here I have
In England it's about
here I have this 10 centimeter with the tong.
here's what they call
Cement? Cement?
And then 30.
and then the foundation.
Yes, and then roll. Yeah.
Här. Kom, I'll show you something.
Räkningarna betalar vi i London.
Kan jag gå in i badrummet här och visa? I'll show you something, come on. This is a bathroom.
Det här smällande locket.
Ska jag ta det ihop?
Ja.
Just so up the toilet seats. Up.
Yeah.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's it.
Now close it.
You just drop them.
Close it. Yeah, drop it.
Just drop it.
Drop it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is for Alan. So I feel for Alan.
Mom, Dad got one.
Oh yeah, good. Oh nice.
Hur fina hon tycker hon är så roligt med det locket.
Jag tycker om... Tänk. Var det inte så om man spolar så kommer ner igen? Om man spolar. Var
Nej.
det inte så? Det är bara om man vill smälla.
Men man kan inte
There's
smälla.
no upstairs.
Det kan man.
Nej.
It's just this.
Bra. Så det finns ingen ljud på natten.
Yeah, well, yeah.
So, here is, vad heter det?
Guest room.
Yes, the guest room. And, vad heter det? Work.
Working
Work.
office.
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 Office. Ah, good. Oh nice.
Mm.
Jag tycker det är så coolt.
So, well,
It will be
Good on us.
Alexander's room, but he left.
Gunnar was telling us about the guest room.
Spotlight.
It's gonna be out
Yes,
there.
yes. And then the bed
Will
goes
be
to that.
And then this is going to be
The guest room there.
What about, what's this going to be? Then just.
Guest room too.
Oh, right. Oh, right.
If we will be many people.
Oh, I see. Put them everywhere.
Yeah. You can even sleep there if you like.
That's
Should
a
we,
sofa bed.
Is it? No.
No? Oh, we're just
No.
long
But,
enough, long enough and wide enough, yeah.
If you
If you take this,
She can make a bed.
yes.
Oh, right. I see.
It's like Eddie's, you know, it's
Yeah.
getting
You can lie
larger.
there and the finnar här. And the foot. vad heter
The
det?
feet.
The feet here.
Yeah.
Jag är inte så bra på engelska. Jag förstår
Ja, men
bra
det-
men jag kan inte prata tyvärr.
Han kan prata och vi kan lyssna.
Ja, men det är ju det jag säger, att det är bättre att han lär sig svenska.
Ja, det är mycket, det hade varit lättare, men när ska han göra? This is a bedroom.
Here,
This is all going on the internet, you know that, don't you?
You wish.
here are we sleeping?
This is the
Bedroom.
sovereign.
Sovrum, ja.
Ja.
Men här har vi badrummet.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Big enough, isn't it? Right.
Yes.
Another bathroom.
Lovely.
You can even dance.
Yeah. If you want.
Swing a cat.
Yeah.
Here we have a
Space.
small dressing room. Can we say it like that?
Small.
It's a...
Small. It's bigger than your room, honey.
We have
Bigger than my house.
Oh, fint.
du
Jättefint.
får säga att vi har inga garderober i rummet.
Just no wardrobes, just only the room.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. That's
Mm.
good.
Good. I have
It's
everything
only
in.
we two who lives here.
Yeah.
It's enough.
Lovely. Lovely. Did you have? I take it this is all the furniture from your other
Yes,
your
yes.
other house, yeah.
Oh, so here the
You prefer it here?
here the garage foot.
Prefer it here? You prefer it being here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh. Oh yes.
We haven't place for all the furniture that we have.
Right. Oh, so,
Had.
so this is smaller than the place we had before.
We have two
Seven,
våningar.
Two floors.
Yes.
Floors, yeah. Ah,
Mm.
well,
So,
But this is
we left
enough
it to
for us.
Loppis.
second hand. Yes, like
We left.
they sell them on second hand. The other furnitures.
Yeah, Loppmarknad.
It's like a. We have been on Kent, that like a market things. Do you remember? Kent Days. What was that? On the field, outside, on a football plane. Don't you remember? We've been for that.
Ja, det är där Bannesen.
No. We've been in Kent, in England.
Where?
We bought the fleece.
Oh, there. What? The,
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. The
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that kind of. But you leave the furniture in,
Right.
which is the old one. You know,
I see.
you can't get any money, so leave in. Just leave it.
Okay.
That kind of. And the other people come and buy it or
Ah.
get it. Yeah.
Mm.
So nice.
Yeah.
Now let's
Oh.
drink some coffee.
This is the latest thing we have.
That's
done
new.
before.
That's new.
We haven't this in the beginning, but that one it was a little bit too small when we bought it. Here we have
More storage.
Yes. It's full now.
now it's no problem. That's lovely. It was a little bit